Hello, this is a tutorial on how to send notifications and event titles to the player. So these screenshots on top are notifications and on the bottom are event titles. This is my Java plugin. I've just got a simple command and I've got a primary message, a secondary message, and a packet handler that you can get from the player reference, which is just here. To send a notification to the player, you can use the notification util, and you just pass in the packet handler the primary message, the secondary message, and the icon item. This can be null if you don't want an icon. So this here is the sword, and then there's a null is passed in here. And then notification style, this determines the color of the messages. But if you've got a color here, then it overrides. So right now, the notification style doesn't matter. But if I commented out the color, then the color would be changed based on the notification style. And there's a few different ones built in. This parameter is optional, so you can just leave it off if you want. And I'm going to run this and show you the notification. Alright, if I type /example, then it shows the notification in the bottom right. Sending an event title to the player is similar. You use the event title util class instead. So this doesn't need a packet handler, it just needs the player ref, the primary message, the secondary message. Is major, this just determines if the gold bars are going to show. So this one at the top isn't major, and this one here is major because it's got gold bars here. I'm going to leave this as true for now. The icon, I'm not sure what it does. It's not like the item icon in notifications. It doesn't seem to be doing anything from my testing. It's just a string, so right here. And then you've got a fade in duration, fade out duration, and a duration. These are all optional, so you can just leave them off if you want. If I compile this, now if I type /example, the major event title shows up here, and it'll stay for 5 seconds before fading out. Okay, thanks for watching.